Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to solve this ghost setting. Guys, you can see guys is color ghost setting guys in your phone guys. You can see in your phone guys, you cannot use your phone with this setting. So guys, don't worry guys, in this video guys I will show you guys how can you solve it. Guys, you can see guys everything is different in your Samsung phone device. So guys, now let's see how to solve it. So I don't skip my video guys. And guys, first of all guys, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon if you new in my channel friends. So friend, first of all open your phone setting. Then guys, you can see this type of setting. Guys, this accessibility setting guys, tap here. Guys, click on second visibility and guys scroll, and guys you can see your color inversion. So guys, by mistake guys you have on, so guys tap here and guys off it. And guys, now you can see friends, everything is fine in your Samsung phone. You can use your YouTube with normal way guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve this color problem in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.